The majority of people in all countries are submissive and enslaved to the minority. While chains were once used to enforce slave labor, they have now become a legal tool in democratic countries and a method of holding hostages in insecure places. Obedience and submission are imposed through both of these ways, like tamed elephants. The earth is a prison. On the dunes, the waves have gathered. We draw borders with weapons and try to enslave each other. This is because we don't realize that we are locked up animals. Many are hoping for salvation from the outside without trying to free themselves from each other, just as the prisoners feel love for their captors in their helpless state. Our bunkers at this stage are to be filled with a mutual love. Nature sustains life by protecting the earth. If this does not happen, it is possible that the power that travels through the universe to save the marginalized will eventually reach Earth.